Home Remedies presents
Natural remedy for knee pain. Only one ingredient is needed. The remedy I will share with you today is very simple and easy to be used in daily life. The main ingredient in today's remedy is horsetail. Horsetail has anti-arthritis actions and is rich in silicon, a trace mineral that plays a role in making and maintaining connective tissue. Horsetail contains silicon, which helps strengthen bone. For that reason, some practitioners recommend horsetail as a treatment for osteoporosis. It is also used as a diuretic. Horsetail contains kynurenic acid, which has an anti-inflammatory effect. Being a natural vasodilator, it is also used to treat painful muscle spasms, sore muscles, arthritic conditions, and other inflammatory situations. Studies report that uses of horsetail has improved the symptoms of arthritis and even regulated the immune response. Filled with strong analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and pain-relieving properties of the bioactive components, horsetail confers extensive relief from pain and inflammation in case of rheumatoid and osteoarthritis and joint pain. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: horsetail dried herb, 1 teaspoon, water 200 ml. Directions: put a teaspoonful of horsetail leaves in a cup and add 200 ml of boiling water to it. Let it steep for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain the tea and soak a cloth for dressing in it and put on the sore spots. Change the wrappings twice daily. You can also drink the tea for various health benefits.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.